Understanding Restoration Plan, a step-by-step guide. Hello and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, restoration plan. This term may sound technical, but it's used in many different contexts. Whether you're reading news about environmental efforts, discussing business strategies, or talking about personal recovery, understanding this term can be very helpful. Let's dive in and make sense of it together. Let's start by breaking down the term into two parts, restoration and plan. Restoration refers to the process of returning something to its original or improved condition after it has been damaged, altered, or deteriorated. A plan is a detailed proposal for achieving something or a series of steps to be carried out in a specific order. When combined, a restoration plan is a strategic approach or a detailed method for bringing something back to its former condition or even improving it. A restoration plan can be used in various contexts. Let's explore a few. 1. Environmental restoration plan. In this context, it refers to efforts to restore natural habitats, ecosystems, or endangered species to a healthy state. 2. Business restoration plan. Here, it could be a strategy to bring a struggling business back to profitability. 3. Historical restoration plan. In this case, it involves steps to repair and preserve historical buildings or artifacts. 4. Personal restoration plan. This might be a personal journey or steps an individual plans to take to recover from illness, loss, or other personal setbacks. Understanding and creating a restoration plan is crucial because it provides a clear roadmap for achieving specific goals. It helps in allocating resources efficiently. It sets realistic timelines for recovery or restoration. It's essential for monitoring progress and making necessary adjustments. A restoration plan is more than just a term. It's a proactive approach to bring about positive change in various aspects of life. Whether it's about reviving a business, restoring a natural habitat, or embarking on a personal journey of recovery, having a well-thought-out plan is the key to success. We hope this video has illuminated the concept for you. Keep learning, and see you in the next one.